Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to turn off your activity status on Instagram, so let's get started. First things first, open your Instagram app on your device and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and tap to open the profile menu. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. In settings, you should see a search bar, tap on it and search for activity status. This is the easiest way to turn off showing online in your account. After jumping to this page, all you have to do is to just turn off this option and return to the feeds. That's it, you have successfully turned off the activity status on your account, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.